Hey there! If you make a lot of builds just to test your multiplayer game in Unity, well, this video is for you. We will use a basic example with the Unity lobby and relay to start the session. We will use ParrelSync, an editor extension that lets you use different instances of Unity to test your game. Just copy the GitHub address, go over to Unity, on Package Manager, add the new one from Git and paste it. Now in the top part you can see a new button, ParrelSync. It lets you handle different instances of the editor. Create a new one and open it. Now let's play the game in both the editors. Let's see what happens. Well, it seems it doesn't work. Apparently, Unity Lobby is not able to pair the editors. Let's see why. We see the same IDs for both the editors, and this is a problem because Lobby will not consider a new one. To fix it, just find the row in your code where you initialize the unit services and put this piece of code just before. It basically detects if you are on a ParrelSync clone, and if true, then create a new profile for the unit services. Now let's try again in both the editors. Let's see what happens. Here we go, now it works. Oh, and one more thing, if you want to play with more than one editor, just change the argument passed in the set profile. You can retrieve it from the ParrelSync instance. To do it, just open the new menu and under new clone, under a new instance, just change the string passed. And that's all. Make sure to have every string different from the previous. And that's all for me. Hope to be helpful to you and your projects. If you want to have a look at the project, I just link you to a previous tutorial that I made, and the code is basically the same. If you have problem, let me know in the comments. See you the next time.